In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the emoji menu on a Windows 11 or 10 PC using a secret keyboard shortcut. This is a quick and handy trick to help you express yourself more vividly in your messages and documents. We all know emojis can add a splash of personality to our digital conversations, and knowing how to access them efficiently is a great skill to have. So, let's get started and explore how you can easily use emojis in your day-to-day communications. First, let's make sure you're at a place where you can input text. This could be anywhere like an email you're drafting, a chat window, or even a social media post you're crafting. Once you have that ready, we can move on to discovering this cool shortcut. If you're new to using Windows 10 or 11 and want to add some flair to your texts, the following method is perfect for you. The key combination you need to remember is Windows key plus period. Yes, you heard it right. All you need to do is press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This combination might seem simple, but it's incredibly effective. It's important to note that these are the keys on your keyboard with the Windows logo and the dot. Give it a try, and you'll see what happens next. Once you've pressed this combination, you'll notice a new window appearing on your screen. This is the emoji window, and it's your gateway to a vast array of emojis, symbols, and even kaimojis to enhance your text. Pretty neat, right? It's a comprehensive menu that Windows provides, giving you an easy way to select your desired emoji. Now, with this menu open, you can scroll through the options using your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right side of the window. There's a wide selection of categories to choose from, ranging from happy faces to animals and flags. You simply click on the emoji you wish to insert, and it will be placed on your current text field. If you have a particular emoji in mind, you can use the search bar at the top of the emoji window to find it swiftly. And there you have it. That's all it takes to use the emoji menu on a Windows 11 or 10 PC. It's a simple trick, yet incredibly useful for adding a touch of emotion or fun to your communications. I hope you're able to use this feature to its fullest extent and brighten up your communications with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy emoji texting!